How to remove a checkmark in Adobe Acrobat. I am using the web version, so first open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Sign in to your account or create one if you haven't already. Click on All Tools from the top menu. Select Fill and Sign. Upload your PDF file that contains the checkmark. The toolbar on the top will appear. Find the checkmark that you added or that's in the PDF. Hover your mouse over it. You will see a tiny trash bin icon or an X next to it. Click the trash bin or X and just like that, the checkmark is gone. Hit Save in the top right corner to save the updated PDF. In the web version, it auto-saves your changes. Pro tip: if the checkmark was part of the original file and not added using fill and sign, you won't be able to remove it in the free version. That would require Adobe Acrobat Pro or an editable source document. And that's how easy it is to remove a checkmark in Adobe Acrobat Web. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.